Hello everyone to car breaking, stupid driving, and funny situations. This car loves the pillars so much. The men driving luxury cars are showing off. This driver is a bit bad. The curious bear and the weak car. Wow, what a perfectly assembled car! Oh, how much of their hard work is gone? A train is coming. Stupid passenger car. The car suddenly changed lanes and got hit by the truck. Idiot in car. This job is dangerous. Oh, don't change lanes so suddenly! The fork truck moves to let the forklift complete the remaining task, but nope. People with money will not be afraid of lack of money to repair cars, right? Idiots in car. The new truck was erected. Quite a few parts fell off. Let's see the car rammed. The car goes into the house without opening the door. One hit caused the car to roll many times. The car blazed with the track. Idiot in car. The car is so beautiful, so take it easy. Is this an amateur racing tournament? Strong hit to crush the car. Idiot in car again. Wow, the classes are cleaned very well, bro. Oh my gosh, this rig is being washed. This service is expensive. The car is burying itself. The guy who fell in front of the girl must be embarrassed. This forklift is so strong, such a big truck can be lifted easily. The speed of the two cars is proportional to the force of the collision. Hey, don't be too crowded to wait for something to come from the shed. Can this smart robot kick the ball? If you're sleepy while driving, learn from this car. Oh no, the ambulance needs to be saved. A car park. Don't understand what's going on, but a lot of water is overflowing. Hurt yourself, girl. This racing game is fun. Great creative man. Plane, but can't fly. Wow, only a good car can do that. Two cars hit each other very hard at the intersection. In an accident at a green light, a red light, the cars get messy. My friend just watched a movie to learn boxing, and he gets to buy a new TV. Idiot in car. Go down the stairs. The impact is strong and affects the third vehicle. The guy fell into the water, but he was bad at Kung Fu. Wait, spending money on car repairs because you like to show off? A trick. The truck fell and the guy was using his strength to hold it. Two cars had a minor collision. Bad road with dancing car. An item on the cart fell. Why can't you squeeze it out? Crazy truck destroys everything on the road. The difficult blow. Oh, the horrible accident happened. Beautiful girl loves lollipops. If you fall out of the car, rest assured that you will be fine. Idiot in car, the rear of the car is damaged a lot. Two girls crying to get the car out of the quagmire. Any terrain. A sweet kiss for the car. Acrobat hits the car. Really eye-catching, huh? The torn car is already split in two. The car loves to explore the deep forest. It's a nice flying car, but the other two have problems. Crashed so hard that the whole car flipped. That plane needed to be rebuilt. It flew very well, but couldn't withstand the wind that broke it. The pretty girl made a guy bump into the door. He's making his pants more attractive. Idiot in car. The undercarriage is too low to get on it. Today's work sucks. Don't move so fast. It's really a haunting accident memory for racers. Oh, lucky guy. The car crashed through the building. A funny accident, huh? Make fun of others, but harm yourself.